And now we will be demonstrating vertical mattress sutures. This kind of suture is specifically used for tissues which are under tension and tissues in which hemostasis is going to be an issue. So here we take a single bite which is approximately 1 centimeters from the edge. You go in perpendicular and go deep and come out from the midline. Now pull out the thread as much as you want and just leave a small bit behind for tying. Now on the opposite side, you again go in and come out approximately 1 centimeters away from the edge in the same line. The difference between a vertical mattress and simple sutures is that you will rotate the needle 180 degrees and the second step will start from the opposite side 1 to 2 millimeters away from the edge and go inside and go on the opposite side at the same distance of 1 to 2 millimeters and come out. Remember the far near method that we demonstrated in basic suturing section. Now an instrument tie to get your tissues together. You can see the underlying tissues have come up and the edges have everted. The advantage of vertical mattress is that it brings the subcutaneous tissues to be approximated, which helps in hemostasis and also decreases tension on the suture line. The added advantage is that it automatically everts the edges. Now we just have to cut the thread. We will repeat the same process again. 1 centimeters away from the midline, we go deep, come out from the midline, and then again go 1 centimeters deep and come out. Now we rotate the needle 180 degrees and go 1 to 2 millimeters from the edge. Here while doing this, you can also change the grip of your hand to hold the needle holder. It becomes easier to pass the suture needle in the opposite direction. Previously, I was gripping it this way and now I will be gripping it in this way, which makes it easier to pass the needle and come out. You need to make sure not to use any excessive force from the elbow or shoulder. It should just be the turn of the wrist. Again, you can see the edges are getting everted and the underlying tissues are getting approximated. This type of suture is used in abdominal wall closures or over your scalp, where bleeders from subcutaneous tissue are far more common.